Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss here Taylor's and Maclaurin series expansion. And this is a part, it's very important to understand what is the series expansion is there. So especially all the series in mathematics is originated from Taylor's and Maclaurin series expansion. So, in this topic, we discuss here introduction, definition, and notation, and problems on the Taylor's and Maclaurin's series expansion. Now, let me discuss here what is the introduction part and what is the definition and notation of this Taylor's theorem first. So, here is a Taylor's theorem expansion. Okay, so I'm going to discuss here statement. What is the statement of Taylor series expansion? Now it is very easy. Okay, let's see. If f of x plus h, if f of x plus h be given function of h, means this is a given function of h. This is a given function of h, means this f of x plus h is a given function and which can be expanded into convergent series, which can be expanded into convergence series of positive ascending integral powers of h. Positive ascending integral powers of h. Okay, means what is that here? We have to given f of x plus h, means given a function of h, okay, and which can be expanded into convergence series of positive ascending integral power of h. Then this f of x plus h can be expanded into the form f of x plus h, that is equal to this is a f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on. We take n terms is also, therefore this is h raised to n divided by n factorial into fn of x and also plus and so on. This is an infinite series expansion, okay, where f dash of x, f double dash of x, f triple dash of x and so on, fn of x, this is nth derivative, means f dash of x means first derivative, f double dash of x means double derivative of f of x, f triple dash of x means triple derivative of f of x and so on. This is fn of x. Okay, this is fn of x, right? Also this function is called as, this is a series expansion of f of x plus h. Also this function is called as series expansion of f of x plus h. Okay, so this is Taylor series expansion of given function f of x plus h. Okay, so is known as Taylor series expansion of function f of x plus h. Okay, now suppose for consideration this is your equation number 1, putting x is equal to a and h is equal to x minus a in equation 1, we get what is that? If we put the value of x is equal to a and h is equal to x minus a, so clearly you have to getting that here f of x is what is that, a, plus h is what is that, x minus a, and that is equal to, clearly we have to getting that here f of x, and f of x is equal to, what is the remaining in RHS? X is substitute as a, means x is replaced as a in this series. So what will be given here? So this is f of a plus h means x minus a, means this is x minus a into f dash of a plus h square means x minus a, this bracket square upon 2 factorial is there into f double dash of a plus the next term is getting here, so x minus a bracket cube divided by 3 factorial and into f triple dash of a is there and plus and so on. If we are to taking its nth term means what is that? X minus a bracket raised to n divided by n factorial and into fn of a plus and so on. So we get this also infinite series, and now this series expansion is called as, this is Taylor series expansion of f of x in terms of, in means this expansion in terms of power of that is x minus a, power of x minus a. For consideration, this is equation number 2. Means these are the two expansion of Taylor series expansion. Means first one is what is that? If f of x plus h is there, then fx plus h into f dash of x plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus and so on. Its nth term is h raised to n divided by n factorial into f raised to n of x, where f dash, f double dash, f triple dash, these are the called as first, second, third derivative of f of x respectively. Also, if we put x is equal to a and h is equal to x minus a, we get the series expansion in terms of x minus a. Now this is all about definition and notation of the Taylor series expansion. Now let me start some example on this Taylor series expansion. Clear up to this? Okay. Let's see the problem number 1. Let's see the problem number 1. Okay. So prove that f of mx equal to that is f of x plus m minus 1 into x f dash of x plus m minus 1 upon 2 factorial into x square f double dash of x plus m minus 1 bracket cube upon 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on. We have to prove this statement, right? Means you know the Taylor series expansion is what? Okay, first of all you will have to write here first of all you will have to write here how to write the solution of this proof. Okay, so I am starting here. What is the solution? Let's see. You know clearly f of mx can be written as, I'm writing here, f of mx can be written as, this is f of mx minus x plus x. We adjust this term as x minus and plus x. Okay, means if we extra take x, then for cancellation you take minus x, and now this can be written as, this is f of, in bracket there is a small adjustment is there, f of x in bracket x plus m minus 1 into x. This is small adjustment for under consideration is there. Now you know that by Taylor series expansion, so let me write here, we have Taylor series expansion, Taylor series in terms of f of x plus h. So what is the expansion of f of x plus h? So I am writing here f of x plus h is equal to, this is nothing but this is f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on. This is infinite series expansion, you know very well. Now here you observe here, I am considering for that this is f of x plus h, means I am considering here this is nothing but f of x plus h is there. So therefore I am writing, therefore h is equal to what? Comparing with this, h is m minus 1 into what is that? X. So I am considering the next step here. I am considering the next step. Put h is equal to m minus 1 into x. Put h is equal to m minus 1 into x. We get the Taylor series expansion, that is equation number 1, as we get equation 1 as this is f of now in bracket x as it is plus h, value of h means this is m minus 1 into x, right? And we have to getting here simply this is equal to f of x plus h into f dash of x. You know, f of x as it is plus h means what is that? This is m minus 1 into x into f dash of x plus, you know very well, again this is m minus 1 into means h square divided by 2 factorial means what is that? M minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into what is that? X square. At that time derivative of f of x is a double derivative means f double dash of x plus next term we have to taking here m minus 1 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into x cube, and at that time derivative of f of x is 3 times means f triple dash of x plus and so on. So clearly you know that this is a f of x plus multiply on x in this bracket, that is mx minus x, xx get cancel here and you are to getting here only expansion of that is f of mx, that is equal to this is a f of x plus m into m minus 1 into x into f dash of x plus m minus 1 divided by 2 factorial we are to getting here into x square f double dash of x plus m minus 1 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into x cube f triple dash of x plus and so on. So this is a proof. Okay, you check guys, this is a proof. You check guys, this is proof. Okay, understood this example? Yes, this is problem number first. You have to understood very well. Okay, now I am going to discuss here now I am going to discuss here second problem. So problem number second on Taylor series expansion. Problem number second on this expansion. Problem number second. Let's see. So you have to prove that this is f of x square upon 1 plus x. This is f of x square upon 1 plus x. It is nothing but this is f of x minus x upon 1 plus x into f dash of x plus x square upon 2 factorial, x square upon 2 factorial into 1 plus x bracket square. Next term is into f double dash of x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial into 1 plus x. Now this bracket cube, at that time derivative of f of x is 3 times f of x plus and so on. So guys, you have to prove that here f of x square upon 1 plus x equal to f of x minus x upon 1 plus x f dash of x plus x square divided by 2 factorial into 1 plus x square f double dash of x minus x cube upon 3 factorial into 1 plus x bracket cube. At that time derivative is f triple dash of x. Now let me start how to solve this or how to prove this. Okay, so you know guys, you know very well how to write the solution. You know guys how to write the solution. Let's see. So I'm considering here this x upon 1 plus x, it can be written as by using partial fraction is there, means here is x square upon 1 plus x can be written as this is x minus x upon 1 plus x. So clearly you know guys, this is equal to, this is x plus minus of x upon x plus 1, means it becomes x plus 1, okay, or 1 plus x. So that is equal to, this is x plus h. So what is the value of h? So therefore h is equal to, that is a minus x divided by x plus 1, or I am writing here 1 plus x, minus x divided by 1 plus x. Now we have Taylor series expansion. We have Taylor series expansion. We have Taylor series expansion. So what is Taylor series expansion? It becomes f of x is equal to, or f of x plus h is equal to, you know guys very well, f of x plus h is equal to, you know that the Taylor series expansion as f of x plus h is equal to, that is f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on. This is a Taylor series expansion. Now in this Taylor series expansion, for consideration we have to consider, this is equation number 1. Now in this Taylor series expansion you have to put h is equal to minus of x divided by 1 plus x, and means we have to getting the above result. Okay, so here put, this is very easy guys, put h is equal to minus of x divided by 1 plus x. Put h is equal to minus of x divided by 1 plus x. So therefore here we have to getting f of x minus x divided by 1 plus x, and that is equal to, this is f of x as it is, this is f of x in equation number 1 as it is, minus h can be replaced as, this is a minus of x divided by 1 plus x into f dash of x as it is. Now next term is, what is that? Next term there is a plus h square divided by 2, means what is that? Minus x upon 1 plus x, its bracket square is also positive, so that you will get x square divided by 2 factorial into 1 plus x, its a square, into f double dash of x, minus is there, minus of x upon 1 plus x bracket cube, it becomes that is a minus of x cube divided by 3 factorial into 1 plus x, x cube divided by 3 factorial into 1 plus x bracket cube f triple dash of x plus and so on. So clearly you have to getting, this is a final step, that is f of x square divided by 1 plus x. We have to check here, cross multiply this, we have to getting this sum as x square divided by 1 plus x, and that is equal to, this is f of x minus x upon 1 plus x f dash of x plus, next term is a plus, there is x square divided by 2 factorial into 1 plus x bracket square f double dash of x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial into 1 plus x bracket cube into f triple dash of x plus and so on. So this is a proof. This is a proof of given problem. So understood guys, this is very easy to understanding the problem number 2. Here in this question you have to only use Taylor series expansion and put x is equal to, or put h is equal to minus of x divided by 1 plus x is there. Getting this guys? Okay. Now we are going to discuss here next problem on Taylor series expansion, that is problem number 3. Problem number 3. Okay. Let's see. So express here, express, now question is very interesting guys, express f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 7 in terms of x minus 2, in terms of guys x minus 2, we have to express this function in terms of x minus 2, means you have to write Taylor series expansion in terms of x minus 2 is there. Now let me start how to write the solution. This is very easy guys, how to write the solution. Let's see. Okay, so you know very well, given function is f of x. Let I am taking here f of x is equal to, what is that here? It is a 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 7. This is f of x is given to you, right guys? You know that we have Taylor series expansion. Taylor series in terms of x minus a. You know the formula for Taylor series expansion in terms of x minus a. So what is the formula of Taylor series expansion in terms of x minus a? So this is nothing but this is simply f of x, and that is equal to, so formula is very easy guys. So this is f of a plus x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x minus a bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus and so on. This is a formula for Taylor series expansion in terms of x minus a. Now guys, clearly you know that given is, what is that, x minus 2. Okay, so given I am writing here, given power is x minus 2. So I am comparing with this, what is that, here is x plus h or x plus a is there, means what will be here? So a is equal to what? Minus a, means here minus a. So clearly you know the guys, given power is x minus 2, therefore we have to put here a is equal to 2. Okay, that is very clearly crystal clear is there. So therefore putting here x minus 2 means what is that here, means this is similar to what is that, this is x minus a. Okay, so clearly guys, we have to put here x is equal to what is that, means a is equal to what is that, 2. So putting a is equal to 2 in above series expansion. Okay, so what is that for consideration? This is series number 1. Okay, so we get, what we will get here, if we have to substitute a is equal to 2, we have to getting that here f of x is equal to, here f of 2 plus x minus 2 into f dash of 2 plus x minus 2 whole bracket square divided by, here 2 factorial is there into f double dash of 2. Here replace only a by 2. Replace only a by 2. Okay, so we'll have to getting that f triple dash of 2 plus and so on. Okay, for consideration you have to write the equation number 2. Now what you have to find out here, f of 2 is what, f dash of 2 is what, f double dash of 2 and f triple dash of 2. In this way you have to calculate first f of 2. Okay, for getting these powers in x minus 2, we have to find f of 2 is what. So let I am again rewrite this, fx is equal to, what is that guys, this is a 2x cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 7. So clearly here f of 2 means what, here replace x by 2. So what we will getting here, 2 into 2 cube, that is 8, minus 3 into x square, instead of x square we have to write 2 square, that is a 4, minus 8 into what is that, 2, plus here 7. Okay, so this is your f of 2. Okay, so you have to calculate this f of 2, means clearly guys you have to getting here suppose this is f of x, right? Now I am going to take here its a derivative. Now its a derivative is very easy, f dash of x. So what will be the derivative of f dash of x? This is a 6x square minus this is 6x minus 8 plus 7, derivative is 0. Next derivative, that is we have to find out f double dash of x. So what we will get here, 6x square, derivative of 6x square is 12x minus 6 and minus 8, derivative is 0, because of that this is a constant. and remaining derivative is f triple dash of x. This is equal to 12x minus 6, derivative becomes only 12. Now you have to find out. What you have to find out? F of 2 is what? F dash of 2 is what? F double dash of 2 is what? And F triple dash of 2. Let's see, I'm considering here f of 2. Replace only x as a 2. So what will be the getting value is, means 2 into here is, what is that? 2 cube minus 3 into here is, what is that? 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 7. So what you will get here? 19. So its a sum is what? 19. Similarly, you have to find f dash of 2. F dash of 2 means you have to substitute x is equal to 2 in f dash of 2. So what we will have to getting here, that is a 6 into x square, means 2 square minus 6 into 2 and minus 8 will be there. So you have to getting value is 28 is there. Also you have to calculate f double dash of 2, means put x is equal to 2 in f double dash of 2. You have to getting here 2 into 2 minus 6, means 12x minus 6 means 2 into 2 minus 6. So what we will getting the value of this value is 30, right? So taking this sum, that is 2 into yes guys, this is a plus 6. I think this is a plus 6. Fx is a plus is there. This is a plus 6x minus 8x is there, plus 6x. So this is 24 plus 6, 24 plus 6, what we have to getting here? 30. And now f triple dash of x. So I'm writing here f triple dash of 2 is there. If we substitute x is equal to 2 in f triple dash of 2, so what we have to getting here? Value clearly 12. Value clearly, what is that here? 12. Because of that there is no x term, so that's why value is as it is 12. So substituting these values in equation number 2, I am writing here substituting in equation 2, we get the last step is your final answer, right? We get f of x is equal to, equation number 2 is what? F of x. So write the value of f of 2. F of 2 is what? 19, right? Plus f dash of 2 value, that is a 28 into what? X minus 2 plus x minus 2 bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of 2 means 30, and 30 divided by 2 will get here 15 x minus 2 whole bracket square plus 2 into x minus 2 whole bracket cube, and this is your answer. Okay, hence this is answer. Okay, so clear up to this guys, and this is your answer. Okay, this is problem number 3. Understood this? Now next problem we are going to discuss here. So now let me start problem number 4. Let me start problem number 4. So what is the problem number 4? Let's see. Expand log x in powers of x minus 1. Expand log x in powers of x minus 1. So how it will be solved? You know that clearly you have to give one fx is what? Fx is a function of x, guys. Fx is what? Fx is a function of x. Like given things I am writing here, f of x is a function of x, means log x will be there, and you have to write powers of x minus 1, means powers of x minus 1 means what? Powers of x plus h is there. Okay, so simply guys, by using Taylor's theorem, by using Taylor's series, by using Taylor series expansion. You know that what is f of x. I am writing here f of x is equal to, that is f of a plus x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a bracket square into f double dash of a divided by here 2 factorial plus x minus a bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a and plus and so on. Okay, this is Taylor series expansion. You have to here replace h is equal to what here clearly 1, means replace here a is equal to clearly what is that 1, and you will get the expansion as, therefore I am writing here, therefore putting so given power in what, x minus 1, so putting here x minus 1 compared to what is that x minus a. Okay, so what is that here, putting a is equal to here clearly 1, since what is the reason given is, what is that given is x minus 2, so comparing with this what is that x minus a, so clearly here so given is x minus 1 guys, given is x minus 1, so let me write here, given is what, x minus 1, and comparing with this x minus a, what we have to getting here, a is equal to 1. So putting a is equal to 1, we get this expansion as f of x is equal to here f of 1 plus x minus 1 into f dash of 1 plus x minus 1 bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of 1 is there, plus x minus 1 bracket cube divided by here 3 factorial, right, into f triple dash of 1 is there. Okay, and plus and so on, plus f triple dash of 1 plus and so on. Okay, now your next target is what, you have to find what is f of 1, f of f dash of 1, f double dash of 1, we have to find out it. Let clearly guys, you have, let clearly, therefore fx is what is that, here is a log x. Okay, you have to take it's a derivative of fx is f dash of x. F dash of x means what is that, this is 1 by x. You have to also calculate f double dash of x is what, so you have to write f double dash of x means minus 1 upon x square is there. You have to also write f triple dash of x is what, f triple dash of x means here, f triple dash of x means that is a minus of 2 divided by x cube, means this is actually guys minus of x raised to minus 2, and derivative of again x raised to minus 2 means triple derivative of x raised to minus 2, it becomes minus plus, there is 2 divided by x cube is there. You check guys, this is a derivative of log x third times. F triple dash of x means third time derivative. Now you have to calculate here f of 1, means what is that, here we have to calculate f of 1 means what is that, you have to replace x as 1, so clearly f of 1 is there. Here you have to also calculate f dash of 1, so clearly you have to here in f dash of x you have to replace x as 1, so replace guys f double dash of 1, also replace guys f triple dash of 1 is there. So clearly what you have to getting here, if we replace log of x as log 1, so you know the value of log 1 is what is that here, 0, right? Next you know the value of x is what is that, 1, means f dash of 1 is clearly here 1 divided by 1 means here also 1. Now minus 1 by x square, next derivative is minus 1 by x square, means what is that here, minus 1 upon 1 square is 1, and next derivative you know that very well, that is 2 upon x cube, value of x is what, 1, so clearly you have to get in here 2. For reference this is equation number 1, for reference this is equation number 1. So putting this all these value in equation number 1, therefore putting in equation 1 we get, putting in equation number 1 we get what is that here, clearly this is fx equal to, put the value of f of 1, f of 1 value is 0, right, plus x minus 1 into f dash of 1 is 1 plus x minus 1 bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of 1 is a minus 1 plus x minus 1 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 1, that will get here 2 is there. So clearly guys, therefore I am writing here f of x is equal to, this is x minus 1 plus, now this minus 1 becomes minus is there, so minus x minus 2 whole bracket square divided by 2 is there, plus the next term is what is that, 2 into x minus 1 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial and plus and so on. So guys, this is your answer, or this is your infinite series of log x in powers of x minus 1. Clearly understood guys? Now let me write the next question. Clearly understood guys? So this is all about Taylor series expansion, and you know, I hope all this point and all these example, that is the problems are very understood is there. Okay, now it is sufficient for today. Thank you.